In 2022, it was a great year. A lot of great things happened for Medendorp Real Estate, and we're going to show you more about that. So in 2022, we had the opportunity to sell our office on Glade Street and move to a new 12,000 square foot building in Norton Shores on Norton.
Also this year, we were a continued sponsor of the Norton Shores football program. We helped sponsor their new electronic board, and we had videos play on that during the game.
So for all of 2022, Medendorp Real Estate was a partner with the Chamber of Commerce with their early bird breakfast. WZZM 13 wanted to do a special on saving money in a shifting real estate market they called Dave Medendorp and Seth Keller.
Also this year, we did an interview with Julie from Fox about the strength of Muskegon's real estate market.
Three of us attended the Michigan Association of Realtors convention, where we attended seminars and educational classes to improve our skills.
In 2022, we threw the 35th anniversary party, and we had that at our new office. We've had a pretty busy year, but we've also taken some time to enjoy Muskegon's nature. So with 2023 starting, we're excited for a year full of growth and opportunity. We're really excited to see what this year holds, and let's hope for a good year for all of us.